seatbelt and goggles, let's fly. I've mapped out our journey, we're up here to stay. A sunset is our home, a moonbeam we will own. My spirit of adventure is you. Adventure is out there, it's my holy grail. So cannibals and tigers beware. I've made my life's journey to blaze every trail. I've got my aerofair, the highbrows will be there. My spirit of adventure is you. Freaks of nature span a globe that's too big to deny. With canine guards we'll travel there and spit into their eyes. I can't wait another day for my life to waste away. We'll make it a joint venture before we're in our danger. My spirit of adventure is you.
That's not good. 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 Whoa! Hey now, let's react to a song about me. 6-7. There I am. Oh, the score is almost 6-7.
Hiding in between, and every time you hit that number,
3 points.
it's one smaller dream.
6-7. Excuse me? He doesn't know about the joke? Got him. Winston from Horror Skunk is calling the police. Oh. That's not good. Whoa! Hey now. Excuse me? I feel like that's a bit much, right? A taser? Yeah, that is definitely uncool. Winston does 6-7. Yeah.
You're lost inside the number, pulling you back.
What? What is happening to me? Oh my god, look at how cool I am now. 6-7. Yeah. No one can stop me. Oh, that's why this song is called Unstoppable. Yeah. Unstoppable. That's what I am. Unstoppable. That's what? What is happening to me? Oh my god, look at how cool I am now. 6-7. Yeah. No one can stop me. Oh, that's why this song is called Unstoppable. Yeah. Unstoppable. That's what I am. Oh my god, that was a banger. Be sure to subscribe. Be sure to 6-7 subscribe.
Wow, they're at a stadium now. Wow, they're at a stadium now.
Yeah, I'm going. Yeah, I'm going. Yeah, I'm going. Yeah, I'm going. Yeah, going, yeah, I'm 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 going,
Oh man, I wish I had some sort of ram to come and change my life.
behind. I'm leaving this.
Hey, it's me, a ram. Come with me. Oh wow, I can't believe that worked!
Leaving this place behind. I'm leaving this place behind.
That's not good. Whoa! Hey now!
Wow, they're at a stadium now. 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 And he made Winston ripped and famous and rich and gave him a car. Let's react to this 99 Nights The Ram song.
Yeah, I'm going.
Where's he going?
Yeah, I'm going right now. Leaving this
Poor
place
Winston from
behind.
Order Skunks.
I'm leaving this place behind. Yeah, I'm going.
But the Ram is helping him.
I'm going right
And he has so many huge trophies, so you know he's good at stuff.
place behind. My body made to be a baddie. You can
He's gonna
call
give
me
Winston
Sugar
a good haircut.
Daddy. Ooh, la, la, la. Ooh, la, 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 la,
Oh wow.
my physique
I want that Ram as my barber.
You can call me fitness cutie. Ooh,
And he's so ripped.
ooh, la, 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 la. One,
I can't
two,
believe he's doing
three.
all of this to help Winston.
Yeah, I'm going right now, leaving this place behind. I'm leaving this place behind. Yeah, I'm
Wait, he has multiple statues of himself?
right now, leaving this place behind.
Okay.
I'm leaving this place behind. I show worlds you've never seen.
Wait, what?
Me girls live like a queen.
Oh, she likes the Ram? Yeah, alright.
I
Winston was taking notes. Yeah, I mean, I guess if the goat's Riz is so good. I mean the Ram, my bad.
Yeah, I'm the goat now. Yeah, I'm the goat now. I'm the goat now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm going. Yeah, I'm going right now.
Wow, they're at a stadium now. Wow, they're at a stadium now. Wow, they're at a stadium now. Wow, they're at a stadium now. And he made Winston ripped and famous and rich and gave him a car. That's a good friend. And everyone loves them. You're welcome. You're welcome. Ah, what an adventure. Be sure to subscribe.
Record.